I need another coffee. I try not to drink coffee after 12 o'clock. And I try to stop after 2 cups. But yeah, it is a struggle sometimes. Here's a dash of milk and I'm good to go. I'm gonna see if I can do some editing today, and maybe in the afternoon I can just chill. We haven't set up a heater yet in our office, so this is what I would need to use. It's really cold. Oh, it's not working. Let's see. Hey, the button is at the end. Come on. Okay. I have been journaling for as long as I can remember. I try to journal every day because I'm an overthinker and a very pessimistic one on top of that. Journaling helps me to process my feelings and my emotions so that I don't project them onto others. I don't really follow any structure when I journal because my thoughts are scattered. What I do is I write down everything that's on my mind and move on for the day. It is a learning process every day, but I think I'm getting there slowly but surely. It's dinner time and we got lazy today. I didn't cook. We ordered a takeaway. We were craving Indian, so my grandmother used to tell me stories. So, oh, ooh, what is that?
Veggie, Rogan Josh.
It looks spicy. Yeah, they gave us extra. Should we watch a movie?
I'm gonna cover this. What? You already?
Why?
Wanda?
I think
You
so.
know?
Yeah, it's the same.
You already slide?
This one has been. Oh yeah, cover it because it has the same sauce anyway. It looks spicy, but it's not. I'm glad.
또 싸, 진짜 짠당해. 지난번 MT 때도 똥 싸고 싶다고 김관주가 계속 무지개 가서 똥을 싸는 새끼가 어딨냐, 진짜. 아, 똥뿌리.
It's 6:30 in the evening and I'm preparing a birthday gift for our Baozu. She recently came to the UK and it will be her first birthday in the country, which is this Saturday, I believe. So I'm very excited for her. I got her a phone case from this brand called, I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's Atelgia. This brand was recommended to me by my another Baozu. I've got many Baozus, and I think that's the perk of being the youngest one in the family. So yeah, she recommended this brand to me and I've been using it for almost a year now. It's quite good. It's very cute, and last time she saw it, she really liked it and I thought it would be a good birthday gift. I've got the gifts ready, but I still need to grab one more thing on Saturday, and the plan is to collect the gift, collect the cake, and go to her place and give her a surprise. So I'm really looking forward to it. Anyway, on top of that, I also got her a notebook because I think she used to journal. I did that. Oh. he's home. I don't know how to wrap it. I'm trying to think whether to wrap it or just leave it open, because there's like 3 separate ones and there will be one more. I don't think I'll wrap it, because what's the point? Okay, let's see. If I put it here, feels like I'm like just shoving everything in there, but I don't know how to make it pretty. Let's see. This is what I have at the moment. I don't know how to like wrap it up. I'll figure it out. We are on our way to Kingston as a Bozuko birthday. So we still need to grab one more gift for her, Ani. Cake, yes. The most important thing, cake. And in Tandeki, we're gonna go to our Bozuko place to surprise her and celebrate her day. Hey? Let's go. Oni. Cakesy. Should we put it in the front seat? Done with our last minute gift shopping. Hey? It took us like three hours. We were here at 12 in the morning, half 12. It's 4 p.m. my day. Now we are going to our Bozuko Ma. We got the cake, got the gifts, and we're now ready. Okay, it's gonna take us 1 hour, Maya. Come on, Linja, just concentrate. Let's see, I think it will take us. Careful. Calculate this, they're calculating the route. We are not that far, are we? Our Bozu somehow knew we were coming. I think she has a very sharp intuition. She was saying that she could hear us driving in even though we had parked a bit far from their place. Although it didn't end up being a surprise, she was very happy. We kept her birthday celebration simple, and I think she genuinely appreciated that. She loved all of her gifts, and seeing her smile made all the effort worthwhile. And this is why I love birthdays. It's just another day to tell your family members how much they are loved and how much you appreciate them. We then had a lovely dinner and ended our night chatting away. We're trying to do the rest of our paneling. We did that last year, and we want to do this corner of the kitchen. We realized that we don't have the glue, so we'll probably need to go to B&Q and grab a few of them. And I want to get some paint as well, so yeah, before we start, need to go. Our marigold is ready for the say. Thank you, Mama. Well, we wanted to just do the DIY today and get it done and dusted. Was not planning to get out of the house. The store is not very far. It's just 5 minutes away from where we live.
It's not even 5 minutes.
It's not even 5 minutes. I don't know my time. How long is it? 2 minutes? I think it's 2. The basket. Yeah, we need the basket. Should we get you this one?
We'll the ceiling. Oh, not good. Let's get this.
We're grabbing 2 of these.
That's one time. Stairs go. Banister.
That styrofoam one. I needed one devil's ivy. We do have one that my mom got for us, but this one is more put together. We are now back. So we got everything. We got the glue, we got the paint, we have the panels. The first thing is to calculate the measurements, which I need to do now, but I'm gonna change first, right?
No.
Bye. Okay, I'm ready to do the calculation. I am not good at maths, but thankfully B&Q has an instruction on their website on how to do the panels, which has helped us a lot, and this is what we used and did last time as well. It actually tells you how to measure the wall and do the brackets. So yeah, I'm gonna do that first while Maya... What are you doing? He's trying to measure the length of the first the first panel, the one that goes on the top. Okay, let's do this.
The rail will sit.
You just need to do the glue and then use the nail gun to keep the brackets intact. And we will need to paint the panels as well. So we're done with the paneling. Maya has finished first coat of the paint. First coat is okay now. And while it dries, we're just gonna put together the console table we recently got from Amazon. It's quite big, so you know. Let's go.
Yeah, I think this will stick on, so
That's fine. For now, you can let go. 조금만 쓰니까 벌써 그 액조 중요하더라. Thank you. This is
The instructions say, so it's quite a thick, dense sauce. Wow. He then butters the bread and adds the pot noodle. She's right, just ouch. I mean, I like.
Well, this is the great guest. Stanley will stump as well. I mean, he leaves the kitchen tidy. You would love Stanley.
My kitchen when I'm home, like 3 times a day. That's the problem. And my kids now, it's really weird.
Yeah.
She wants to really feed the kids earlier because they fall apart. You know,
Yeah,
they do. But I
yeah.
don't want to eat it.
Let's have the peanut one next time.
बोल्नु पनि पर्यो नि ल ल है आउँछ दसैँमा आफूभन्दा सिनियर मान्छेकोबाट छोरालाई पनि छ पर्दैन कि घरै दिने हो
I hope you all had a lovely Dashain and thank you so much for watching. I will see you next week. Bye.